Hi friends, it's Miss Traver, and today for our read aloud, I'm going to be reading Once Before Time, Cinderella Rex. Now, I'm sure many of you have heard the story Cinderella before, but this is not that exact story. It's different and it has dinosaurs in it, so it's very cool. So, Once Before Time, Cinderella Rex is written by Christy Webster and illustrated by Holly Hatem. Hatem. Who can remember what an illustrator is? Do you guys remember that the illustrator is the person who draws the pictures and the author is the person who writes the story? So let's read. Once before time, there was a dinosaur named Cinderella Rex. Wow. Look at her long hair. Cinderella Rex loved to dance, but her stomp mother did not let her dance. She had to clean up after her mean stomp sisters. So instead of step sisters, they're her stomp mother and her stomp sisters because dinosaurs like to stomp with their feet. One day, a letter came. Everyone was invited to a ball at the castle. Cinderella Rex was finally going to dance, but first she had to help her stomp sisters get ready. Look, they're so excited. They got the invitation and she's cleaning up. You can see her in the back. She didn't really get to read the invitation. Do you think she's going to be allowed to go? Do you guys have a prediction on if she'll be allowed to go? Let's see. There is no time left, her stomp mother said. You are not ready. They left without Cinderella Rex. Cinderella Rex was sad. She wanted to dance at the ball. She could only dance alone in her garden. Oh, look at her. She's got a teardrop because she's crying. Poor Cinderella Rex. Was that very nice of her stomp mother and stomp sisters to leave her? Oh. Then Cinderella Rex saw a puff of magic. A new dinosaur was there. Who are you? Cinderella Rex asked. I am your fairy Triceratops, she said. I will help you. Oh, instead of her fairy godmother, it's her fairy Triceratops, another type of dinosaur. The fairy Triceratops waved her magic horns. A dress appeared. Two shoes appeared. A great big squash turned into a coach. It was magic. Wow, look at her. She's looking all fancy. Cinderella Rex thanked her fairy Triceratops. She was going to the ball. The magic lasts until midnight, said the fairy Triceratops. Hurry home. At the ball, Cinderella Rex heard the music. She could not wait. She started dancing. Oh, if you look at the picture, she looks so happy. She's smiling, and you can see the musicians in the background. Everyone stared. Cinderella Rex was the best dancer they had ever seen. They're all smiling, looking at her. She must be such a great dancer. She's the best they've ever seen. Who is that dancer? The prince asked. I do not know, said Cinderella Rex's stomp mother. She didn't even recognize her. The clock struck midnight. Cinderella Rex had to go home. She ran out of the castle. The prince followed. He wanted to talk to her. Do you think they're going to be able to talk? What do you think? I think that maybe she'll be too fast and he won't be able to talk to her. Let's see. Cinderella Rex ran down the steps. Her shoe fell off. She tried to pick it up, but her arms could not reach it. She kept running. Oh, poor Cinderella Rex, because you know that T-Rexes have really small arms, so she couldn't pick up her shoe because it was too far away and her arm wasn't long enough, so she had to leave her shoe. With the final chime, the magic was gone, but Cinderella Rex was happy. She had danced at the ball. The prince had a plan. The next day, he took the shoe to every house in town. So why do you think he's taking this shoe around? Why do you think he's showing it to all the people? Something to keep in mind. Maybe he's trying to find her. That's Remy barking. She likes to listen to the story. He tried the shoe on Cinderella Rex's old stomp sister. Her feet were too small. He tried the shoe on Cinderella Rex's younger stomp sister. Her feet had too many toes. And excuse me. Next was Cinderella Rex, but first her stomp mother wanted to try. Then her stomp mother stopped. The shoe was crushed. How would the prince find the dancer? Cinderella Rex knew what to do. She danced. Everyone looked at the prince. Cinderella Rex, he said, will you teach me to dance? Ooh, she's so good. He wants to learn. So Cinderella Rex moved to the castle. Her stomp sisters had to clean up for themselves. Cinderella Rex was too busy dancing. Oh, what a happy ending. She gets to dance and she doesn't have to clean up after anyone else, or not after her stomp sisters anymore, her stomp mother. That's good. She got her happy ending. Did it end the way you thought it was going to end? It ended in a happy ending, so that makes me happy. I hope you guys enjoyed this story, and be ready for a Monday for a new story. And I hope you guys have a great weekend. Bye, my friends. And Remy says bye.